and welcome to this technical debrief from the 1895 podcast. Once again, I'm Tom.
And I'm Rob.
And Rob, this is our final episode in this mini-series, and we're bringing a few of the topics together for this last one.
We are. Eager listeners will know that we've covered kind of detection and measurement and sampling, purity, quality, mostly with regards to CO2. We had an episode on solar-powered hydrogen, of course, and now we're going to talk about all of those things coming together in many respects. We'll be talking about flame detection for hydrogen.
We will, and Steve was joined by Teledyne gas and flame detection. Some great insights ahead here, so let's take a listen.
Hey, this is Steve, and I'm in Paris today at the Hivolution show, and I've got the pleasure of standing today with Régis Prévost from Teledyne gas and flame detection. Régis, say good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
Super, Régis. Régis, I'm fascinated by what we've got in front of us here. Could you tell me a bit more about this equipment, please?
Yes, of course. So you can see there that's UVIR flame detections. It used to be the old technology we still use for indoor application. Nevertheless, on the last 15 years, the technologies moved to the triple IR flame detection.
Okay, so triple IR, is that one over there close to you?
Yes.
And why have we needed to make a change? What's the reason? What's driving this change? I mean, change means reinvestment, so what's the motivation for that?
So basically, I would say two motivations. The first one is performance. That means with a triple IR detection, it's possible to detect a fire 3 times longer in terms of distance, which means much quicker, smallest fire. And the second point is also to reduce the false alarms. There is quite any false alarm with a triple IR for hydrocarbon fire.
What about moving beyond hydrocarbons? So, I mean, in the future, and maybe even now, we're using things like hydrogen, for example, or ammonia, and these are non-organics. They don't produce, let's say, beautiful IR spectrums like burning methane or burning petrol does. I mean, what's the kind of technology that we need to use to pick up these new energy molecules?
Very good point, and it has been a change on the last, let's say, 4 years. Triple IR is basically based on the CO2 molecules. And as you mentioned, there is no anymore carbon atoms in hydrogen or with ammonia. So we change the algorithm. We also change the wavelengths to move to the water molecules. When there is an oxidation of the hydrogen, create water, and the energy which provide from this water molecules to reduce its heat. With triple IR, we identify this heat and create alarm fire. So this device is able to detect hydrogen fire and hydrocarbon fire together. That's a big change of today.
So we've spoken about hydrogen and hydrocarbon. Could you talk a little bit about ammonia? If I'm handling ammonia, what kind of flame detection might I use?
It's the same triple IR detector as hydrogen, because the fire or flame of ammonia create also water. So this product is the perfect fit for hydrogen, ammonia, and also CO2 or let's say hydrocarbon, because when you have a hydrogen fire, at some point this flame could create a fire with plastic, with oil and so on. So that's the perfect fit for early fire with hydrogen, which move for hydrocarbon fire.
Fantastic. So it really does seem to be a very versatile, sort of do-everything kind of instrument, future-proof, we might say, for people who are processing hydrocarbons today and wanting to process other energy vectors in the future.
Exactly. That's why we call him Spyglass Extend.
Fantastic. Régis, lovely to speak to you today, and I hope you enjoy the show.
Thank you so much. Have a nice show. Bye.
And that brings an end to this mini series. You enjoy it, Rob?
I very much enjoyed it. Thanks, of course, to Stephen B. Harrison of SPH4 Consulting for his contribution of those technical interviews.
Our man on the ground.
Absolutely, our man on the ground. And he loves it, doesn't he? You can feel the passion for the topic. I think it's been great to get into some of those almost educational pieces around the technology, those kind of mini case studies, and as we said, very much bite-sized insights.
And hopefully listeners have enjoyed it as much as we have.
Let us know.
Let us know, yes, please. Let us know on LinkedIn, email us, let us know, and perhaps we can do a few more of these throughout the year.
Yeah, and absolutely. And tell us, don't just let us know, tell us what topics you'd like to hear about, and we'll see if we can deliver those technical masterclasses.
Absolutely. And if you're just discovering the 1895 podcast through this series, then we've released over 100 episodes of our main podcast, haven't we? So go back and listen to those.
And so many more big talking points to come, but always important, the devil's in the detail, and of course the safety and the quality. So that's why we'd love to keep the technical debrief going.
Absolutely. Well, thanks, Rob, for joining me for this mini-series. And listeners, please do like, follow and share the 1895 podcast, and we'll be back again next time.